Hello everybody, it's my first video that I'm talking, I think so at least. So it's a mobile game that I'm doing now. First of all, why in Unity after the last incident that happened with them. For those who doesn't know, uh, about the fee that they wanted from developer to take them a fee about their installs if they cross the 200K revenue and 200K installs. So it's been really like a game changer. But I'm still doing this with Unity. First of all, because it's mobile game, it's much smaller scale. Secondly, because next month I'm going to be a student again, and I don't have a lot of time to make a new game and to do it in another platform and study it in like a month or even less. So it's the main reasons that I'm doing my next mobile game in Unity at least until January 2024. But well, I'm now going to show you my game. Just like I started this game yesterday. It's the first scene. I'm going to run it and show you. With these points, it's supposed to be. My game design was to make a really relaxing game, but also a really with adrenaline, a bit of adrenaline, not too much, but to do it a bit of relaxing and not like in a hurry. And I made, of course, the button that starts the game, the title. It's still unfinished because, as I told you, I just started this project yesterday. It's the second screen. You can like move with the mouse. Right now, it's what I have. And it's supposed to be a game where which you are a barman, like and you have like the recipe, like what's the customer want, for example, coffee with 2 sugar and the ingredient, and you need to catch the ingredients when they're falling. It's my it's the game. Like, for example, this one is coffee, this tea, this water, this sugar is supposed to be milk. No, it's milk. I should do sugar. I will do it as a silken sugar. And you are supposed to catch the right ingredient in the right amount. It's the note. What's the customer wants? It's supposed to be like the level. It's still, as I told you, I just started my game, and I'm going to uh, take you with me to this adventure to create a mobile game and show you like the development, the process. At least for this game, it's going to be a week, I guess. I have week, 2 weeks to make this game. It's also the reason why I haven't started to learn a new engine. I'm going to start to learn Kotlin with Unity for a case that something like this happen again or that they will change um, their their fees. But like I think that is really just a tool, and it's important to know a few tools for an emergency. But I think that in the end, if agents work for you, so it's just a tool, and and you will be fine with them as long as it serve you. Like, of course, it's also community, but agent is just for the purpose. My game is not going to be with server or something, so it's not actually matter for me after I release it. If like I guess if something like if the platform like I don't know if something like if the platform, because I'm also going to learn a new dungeon, for emergency. Well, bye guys.